Update on the pinball machine. So I ended up cleaning from here up, and we had done this previously. So all this, cleaned all this. And you know what really helped was a toothpick. Because I think it was white wax that was in some of these spots. And that was the only good way to get it. Plus, some of these areas, like behind here, like there's no way my finger will go in there. So the toothpick was very helpful. I've been just using paper towels that are pretty tough. Wetting them and then cleaning and cleaning and cleaning and over. And then finally saying, okay, that's it. And then going with the pledge. And I like it a lot because it's not leaving, you know, if you don't wipe it down good, it's not leaving any white or anything like that. So I thought I'd start working on this area. But I noticed the little trough here, it's very rough. I've been sanding this. I didn't sand any of this yet. So where it's rough, it really wants to catch the dirt. So I'm going to sand it and make it nice and smooth. Basically so I can keep it cleaner. And I'm just bending the sandpaper and going like that. I'm just trying to just get the trough part, not trying to sand the whole thing. I think a bunch of these spots have wax on. So I think it's just going to clean right off because over here, that's what it seemed to be. And that cleaned off nice. So it's looking really good. I wiped this a lot right here. So I think that's good. Eventually, I would like to take this whole part off and clean all that. But I think I have to lift it up to get to the screws. And then that's when I can clean all this and replace this tip here too. So we have the new flipper on this side. And again, the toothpick to get in between those letters. And I didn't do that one yet. And you can see the difference between the cleaned and the uncleaned. All this right here is good, but from here over is not yet. So I think it's looking really good. It's looking sharp. I changed the bulbs in here. We got some clear. I put in a pink in one of them. So we're going to get some variety. We'll see what it's like, and then we can change them later, but I think it'll work out good. Okay, there's where we're at. So we'll keep cleaning. Maybe move over to the other side, and then we'll approach this top here separately. Okay. I'm happier with the sides, although I still want to do some off-white with some yellow in it to try to blend that in better. It's not a high-end job. I'm not even going to show it to you close up. But here's how I look at it. This far away, yeah, I'm looking at the whole machine. When I step up here closer, I'm not going to be looking at that. Then this is going to be the eye-catching part. And up in there, which will be that. Okay, so I'm just trying to get it a little bit better. I'm not going crazy on it, but I think it's looking better already.